What's up, y'all? This is Umes the Barber, and I'm back with a haircut tutorial. This time I'll be doing number 3 and 2 on the side and taper on the back. First thing first, I wanna say sorry to y'all for this bad autofocus. I'm gonna start with cutting the top first and go to the side after that. What I did here is cut the top first, and now I'm cross-checking to make sure that everything is even and clean. Point cutting helps you to blend into the side and kind of gives you that textured look. Now here I'm going with number 3, lever all the way open and stopping at the parietal ridge. Make sure you do that all around and you don't go above the parietal ridge. Now I'm going with number 2, lever all the way open. You don't want to go above and past the number 3. Now here I'm going with number 2, lever closed, and you want to stop right beneath the number 2 open. He wanted it number 2 to be the lowest guard and fit it in with number 3. And now here what I'm doing is tapering his back. Here I first started with lever all the way closed and open and went about half an inch and blend that in first. After that I went about half an inch with number 1, lever all the way open and then closed, then blending in with half guard. I'm using 1.5 to blend that with number 2 closed that we used earlier. One and a half is the biggest guard that I will be using on the taper. Here I'm going with number 1.5 guard again, so that it'll be easy for me to line him up. Now I'm using thinning shear to remove some of the bulk. I'm putting that 245 save gel right here. Now I'm putting that sharp line up with a sharp razor. Don't forget to stretch the skin when you do the razor work. You already know. Now it's time for styling. Sheesh, look at this cut coming together. This is before the cut. And here's after the cut. You already know this woman is the barber. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And let me know what y'all want to see the next. Peace out.